Eggs are that perfect food when it comes to feeding the family quickly and affordably with a whole lot of flavour. And they pack 13 essential vitamins and nutrients. But did you know that they're also an excellent food for supporting weight loss? They're relatively low in calories, but still pack plenty of quality protein. And the high satiety level of eggs leads to a greater feeling of satisfaction, which means you feel fuller for longer and you're less inclined to reach for that mid-afternoon snack, which is awesome. They also keep your energy levels high, boost metabolic activity, and reduce variations in glucose levels, which can help regulate eating patterns. All up, this makes eggs one of the best food options to assist with weight management. So yes, eggs are good for weight loss. Just be mindful what you match them with and include them as part of a varied and colourful diet. Just like these beautiful green eggs with spinach and mushrooms, and you can crack on into that.